Hi, good morning, everyone. Louis Borsellino, ManOverMarket. Here's your morning call. All right, listen, we got to be aware of a couple of things. A lot of earnings being reported on the after the close, and also tomorrow, Mario Draghi. I've kind of look at this distribution. We spent about 6 hours from the five o'clock close on Globex. Look at the distribution here. We've got a dual bull bear zone, all right? So the 2090 half down to 2088 half. It was our first buy this morning. We got it early in the morning. We got to sell up here at 2100 with a stop out at 2105, okay? But what's concerning me is all the news and the action from Monday, this big buying frenzy. When you take a look at they had over 35,000 positive delta, and the advanced decline was at a 1-to-1 ratio. So someone's telling me that there's something coming out, and I'd be a little leery of trying to get in front of this on the short side, even though we do need to fill in all this poor structure. These buying tails need to be filled in. So under 2080, we've got the 2074 half. These are all single prints, and then under here 2073 quarter down to 2065. So that's what I've got as far as eventually we have to fill in. So I've got a day range today with a bull bear zone 94.75 to 95.75, and we have no more for the adjusted contract. We have no more charts to show you as far as profile because it's all been adjusted, and we haven't been up to this area in a long time. So the only thing I can do here is bring in this day chart, okay? All right, and when you take a look at a day chart, I mean, look at this. We got 1, 2, 3 a lower, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 days, 7 days up. The only thing I could do is I could throw some lines over this old top and these tops, which we've kind of broken out of. And the next major one is going to be 2110 and a quarter. Actually, 2105. So that's what I got in S&Ps. You just got to kind of weather the storm with right now. I would not suggest looking to enter any trades unless we can get into the extremes, because when you take a look at where we're trading in the middle, and I don't like to make trades from the middle. All right. So let's look at today's market. We've got right up here the value area high at 2096 and a quarter. All right, I've got the point of control at 2093 and a quarter. 2091 is the bottom of value, and then I got a bull bear zone from 2094.75 to 2095.75. All right, I'm sorry, 2096.75. Once again, I'd be looking, for a top around 2101, and I wouldn't get married to it. If we get above 2105, the market could run up to the market could just run. That's what I've got. So we've got to be very careful about that. But like I said, there's a lot of news in the market that is affecting us, and we don't know anything about it because I think it's inside information based on what's going on with these central banks. All right. The NASI the last couple of days has been the weakest. Okay. So take a look at this. It started selling off Monday afternoon and continued yesterday. And so we got the top of value at 45.47 half, 45.32 half. I've got a bull bear zone from 40.31 half up to 40.33 half. All right, we're kind of sitting there right now. 45.26 half is the bottom of value. All right, so the NASDAQ is where it is. And the important thing also, let me bring this back in. These are day charts only. I don't look at the overnight. And so yesterday in the S&Ps, our 5-minute pivot actually took it out on the close and went to a buy. All right, so it's down here. You know, we always talk about, here's the 5-minute pivot all the way down at 20.86 quarter. This will rotate up. You know it adjusts. If you're not familiar with it, come on in, get a free trial, and you'll understand how we use our pivot system. All right? Okay. So the NASDAQ's pivots in a buy. Remember, these are day charts only. I do not. I look at the 24-hour session, but for calculating during the day, because there's no stock trading at night, so I want information based on true stock trading. All right, Russell 1138, 1,138, and 1,036.80 will be the VPOC, and then 1,135. All right, the Russell closed in a sell, so we got to see if we can take its 5-minute pivot. And you can if you're in the trade room, you'll see when we have conflicting calls. Like yesterday, we basically had the NASDAQ down, and we were looking for the market to sell. And you can't. What I've noticed, over these years, you cannot get these markets to make any significant moves one way or the other unless they're all going the same way. All right. So we had yesterday the NASDAQ week, and then let me bring in our Dow, and the Dow was strong yesterday. The Dow was strong. All right. So once again, here's our Dow top of value: 17,989, 17,955, 17,939. Okay, and the bull bear zone yesterday closed in a buy. Okay, right here. So we're going to have some confliction on the opening, and like I said, I think with Draghi tomorrow, I'm looking at a range from 2101 to 2090. I'd like to get you guys in the trade room so you could, when we're starting to call out trades in there, you can get an idea of how we feel the market is progressing during the day. All right, everybody, have a good day trading, and thanks for subscribing and taking our free trials. Talk to you later. Bye.